This is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol SUNE. Okay, this is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. As you can see, SUNE, Sun Edison's up over 90% today, so it's a huge winner. Congrats to everyone. This was a really sweet bounce play. We had been, we were tracking the bounce from over the weekend, and it took a couple days to set up, but finally today there was this huge move. A gap was created on the chart between low of day on the 1st and high of day on the 4th. And so what this did is this created a space in the chart, which we call a gap. And today, the gap is in the process of being filled. The top of today's candle, this upper wick, has almost hit the bottom of the gap. So it's just about filled now. And what we're looking for now is that the gap is filled. We are looking for a close above EMA4 at 43. As you can see, it's this pink line. Notice the candles have been riding below EMA4, riding lower Bollinger Band support lower. And so this is just a dead cat bounce play. As you can see, yesterday's candle was bouncing off the lower Bollinger Band, and the trade is between the lower BB, which you can see there's this long, this big volume bar formed yesterday, and there was a lower wick on yesterday's candle, so this showed bounce players loading. And then now, so that created the trade between the lower Bollinger Band and EMA4. And EMA4 is the sell zone, the take profit zone, unless there is a close above that level. So this chart will remain bearish until the middle Bollinger Band at 141 turns into support. So until then, bounces are just short cover rallies, all right? And so they're meant to be traded. And the key is to sell at the EMA4. If there's a close above EMA4, that's going to set up an EMA8 resistance test, and that becomes the next target and next sell zone. And so the next trade above EMA4 will be between 43 and 67 here, between EMA4 and EMA8. Now, what we're looking for is for follow through. Today, a bullish reversal pattern has formed, and so a bullish one white soldier. The open is above yesterday's close, and so and is currently trading above yesterday's open, and so this is creating bullish one white soldier reversal pattern, and so we'll be looking for bullish reversal confirmation tomorrow. So what we'd like to see tomorrow is another green candle form and a close above EMA4. Fail to break EMA4 resistance will equal downside risk. As far as playing the gap goes, always look to sell a gap fill. Once the share price hit this line here, the top of the gap line, the unfinished business on the chart has been taken care of. So there's, it's similar to hitting the 200-day moving average on a 50, 100, and 200-day moving average run. The 200-day moving average, usually most of the time signals the climax of the run, and you always want to be selling at the 200-day moving average. For a dead cat bounce play, and for a gap fill, when you have a gap fill here, you always want to be looking at the gap fill as the climax of the intraday run and be looking to take profits at that level. As you can see, there's a huge volume bar today. So, there's big money behind the move. This MACD bear cross back here on the 24th signaled downside risk. So, this is a very bearish chart still. We need to see a MACD bullish crossover. So this is just a dead cat bounce play. Congrats to everyone playing the chart. If there should be a spike up on accumulation distribution today if there's a strong close. Going forward, candles forming above EMA4 will signal more upside potential, and fail to break EMA4 resistance will equal downside risk. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.